I literally can't believe I did these by myself. Oh my gosh, you guys have to keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was convinced by a friend to get this Model 1 Polymade nail gel set. Well, first I was convinced to get just the gels, and then I decided to get the kit so I could do my nails at home because it's hard for me to find time to go to the nail salon and get it done. So I'm making time at home using my Model 1 all-in-one kit, my nail drill that I got from Amazon, and also this sun UV that I got from Amazon as well. This drill was so complicated to assemble. It didn't come with any instructions, but once I figured it out, it wasn't as bad as I was making it out to seem. Like I was ready to just throw the whole drill away. So I started by following the gel, and the only reason why I'm using this drill is because I have gel already on my nails. Honestly, you do not need to use this drill if you already have like clean nails. All you need is a regular nail file to just file it to give it like a rough edge. So I started by removing the gel from my pinky finger, then I added the base coat on my nail and I cured that for 60 seconds. Now I'm adding the poly gel to the acrylic extension. I learned later that the process would have been easier had I gotten the slip solution. The slip solution did not come with this kit that I purchased. I went ahead and purchased that after. It also didn't come with cuticle oil, which are two things that you would need to help this process a lot more easier. When applying the nail extension, you do not want to press down too hard because then you'll just be pressing out all the product, which will be a big mess and a big no-no. So without the slip solution, it wasn't as easy to maneuver the poly gel. So now I finally have it where I want it and it's not as thick, and now I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So after I've cured it for 60 seconds, now I'm going to pop the extension off, and I just rocked it from left to right. I was really nervous about this because I thought the nail was going to crack or maybe it will pop off, but it's really secure. So as you guys know, it is my first time, and now I'm going to try to file it the best way I can. So I've also learned like this gel, it's so soft, but it's so hard at the same time. You honestly do not need to get a drill. If you have like a coarse nail file, I believe they're like 100 by 180, those would be like perfect. You do not, I repeat, you do not need to get a electric nail file for this. So far I am so pleased with how this is coming out. I just want to shape it a little more. Like I really like my nails to be very squared or oval, so I'm just gonna shape them a little bit more and let you guys see what it looks like. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm ready to get through all 9 nails that I have left just to see how they're gonna turn out. Oh my gosh, and mommy won't even let me be great right now. Believe it or not, it took me about 6 hours off and on to get these nails done. Like, I'm not even kidding. But I know, like, the next time around, it's probably not going to take that long. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification and comment below what you guys think about these nails. I am loving it. Bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye.